Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm just filming this intro just to add to the video that's actually going to be coming up. This is a video that I filmed in August. That's when my birthday was, and my Stitch Fix box in August was freaking amazing. I ended up keeping every single thing that came in the box because everything fit me like a dream. So the next footage is actually going to be from August, which is why my hair is going to be a different color and it's going to be longer. Magic, I know. So despite the footage being old, I thought, you know what, I'll just upload it for you guys because I think that you will really enjoy it. So here you go. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys what I got in my August Stitch Fix box. This box is pretty big, so I'm excited to get into it. So while I'm opening the box and getting into it, I'm just going to explain to you. Stitch Fix is basically, if you didn't know, a clothing subscription box where you pay $20 for a stylist to put together an outfit for you, and the outfit consists of 5 different items. So it could be bags, it could be shoes, it could be tops or accessories like bracelets and earrings or necklaces, and they basically send it to you every single month. If you don't want to get it as frequently as every single month, there is a setting for that as well, and then they send it to you with a return envelope. And if you don't like anything and you want to send it all back, then you're just out the $20 styling fee. But if you do end up keeping something, then the $20 goes towards your purchase, which I think is really cool. So this is what the inside of my box looks like. I think this is maybe a pair of shoes, and then all the rest of the goodies are underneath this. So let's just get into the shoes first off. I really like this bag. I think that's super cute. And they're actually individually tissue wrapped on the inside as well, which is really nice. Okay, so these shoes are by a brand called Tahari, and they're called Graffiti Leather Peep Toe Booties, and they sent it to me in the color camel, and it is $100. So this is what the shoes look like. I do like the style and I do really like the color. Whether or not it will fit and be comfortable, we shall see. I do like the fact that there's different settings on the strap, so hopefully it won't be too tight around my ankles, but usually the part that's a problem for me is the width right here. So I'm going to be curious to see if this actually fit me comfortably or not. And then the actual clothes in here look like this. I really love the way how they package everything up so that it stays super nice and tidy. So the first thing that is on the top is this gray knitted top, which I gotta admit, from the looks of it, I am the most excited about. So this is by the brand called Bobeau, and it's their Rojer Asymmetrical Hem Hacci Knit Top in the color gray, and they sent it to me in large. And the price on this is $54. Oh my gosh. I wish that you guys could feel how soft this is. This is beautiful. And so at the bottom, you can see it's kind of got that asymmetrical kind of a pattern. I have a feeling that I am really, really going to like this. I can already see myself totally keeping this. I think the $54 for a top with this nice of a quality is not too bad whatsoever. So that's the first item. The second item is the button-up shirt. So that one is by a brand called Mine, and it's their Mine-Bethel Two Pocket top, and it's $38. So this is what that looks like. It looks like it's quite a see-through material, so I will probably have to wear some sort of a tank top or something underneath this. I kind of like the style of this. I can totally see why she would have sent it to me. It's kind of almost an off-white gray color. The next item, wow, this feels really heavy, is the jumpsuit. So the jumpsuit is by a brand called Kaileigh, and it's their Adalia knit jumpsuit, and it's $58. I really like the material of this as well. It is quite thick. So I'll be curious to see how this looks on me. I'll be honest with you, I have never actually tried a jumpsuit, like, ever. The pants on the bottom flare out a little bit, but I just absolutely love the floral pattern. I think it's really cute, and this would absolutely be wearable. I think even in the fall months, you can totally pair this up with a jean jacket and it would look really cute. And then last but not least are the pants. So let's see, they're by a brand called STS Blue. So it's their Neve Scissor hem skinny jean in the color indigo, and it's $49. Yeah, that's not too bad for a pair of jeans at all. So they sent it to me in the size 30. And this is what they look like. I can see the light distressing on the bottom that she was talking about. I do kind of like that. I think that's kind of cute. So I guess now it is time for me to try everything on. So I'm wearing 3 of the things out of the 5 things. I'm wearing the knitted sweater and the pants and the shoes. And all 3 things are really comfy. The sweater is almost borderline a little bit too big, but I really like the way how it feels. It's not as see-through as I thought that it might be, and it's super, super soft and comfortable. And I really do like the asymmetrical kind of cut that it has in the front. The pants are pretty comfy. They fit me pretty well. They're not really high-waisted, but they're not really short-waisted either. I guess they're kind of average. They do keep my stomach in place, which is nice. That's something I'm always self-conscious about. And the length is pretty good. The shoes, I don't know how I feel about the shoes. They're really cute, and they are definitely comfy. Especially the strap. I was worried about that being too tight, but because there is like 4 or 5 holes, you can customize it so that it's comfortable for the width of your ankles. But I don't know if it's worth quite $100. It seems a little steep for shoes like this. So this is outfit number 1. I'm going to go and change into the button-up top now. So this is the second top, the button-up top. It's actually really comfortable, except for in this area, it feels quite tight if I move my arms, and it's quite constricting on the arms. So I would definitely have to lose some weight before this shirt was 100% comfortable on me. And kind of same issue as last time. If I button up this button, then there's like a big gape right over here. But if I don't, then it is quite chesty. Not as chesty as the other shirt. It definitely doesn't have quite as much cleavage, but it is pretty comfy. Whether I'm going to keep it or not, I don't know. I feel like if I keep like 4 out of the 5 things, then I kind of might as well keep the shirt because it will end up being free. I do really like the way how it goes with these pants and with the shoes. I think it's really cute. It would be really nice to wear it with like a leather jacket or to style it with like a jean jacket. So I do really like it. I feel like I said, if I end up keeping 4 out of 5 things, I might as well just keep this one as well. So I'm going to go put the last thing on, which is the jumpsuit. So this is the last thing, the jumpsuit, and I gotta say I'm surprised by how much I actually really like this. It feels so airy and comfortable, kind of like I'm wearing a bathrobe. It's the same kind of material as what like those kimonos were made out of. Same kind of print as well. It is so comfortable. I wish that on the bottom it wasn't quite so baggy and flowy, but I don't know, I am kind of tempted to keep this. I feel like it's really cute. I really love the fact that it's got pockets. It makes it very casual, very comfortable. I think that's what I love about this so much, is that it looks really fancy, but it feels so extremely casual. I like the way how it sits around my waist. I feel like my waist is a little bit shorter than other people's is, so my waist kind of sits in a different spot than it does for other people, so sometimes outfits are a little difficult for me. It does cut into my butt crack a little bit in the back, which doesn't bother me too terribly much, but I don't know. I am kind of tempted to keep this one. I brought out here the sheet that tells me what my total would be. So if I kept everything, my total will be $298 minus the $74.50, which is the 25% off discount, which would make my total be $223.50 minus the $20 that I've already paid for the styling. So my total will be $203.50 to keep everything, which I think is not that bad of a deal. But I feel like for the first time I might actually keep everything. I know that it's expensive, but honestly it was my birthday this month and she did send me lots of great things, so we shall see. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my future uploads, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!